All right, so you bought one of our floating mantle kits. Now let me show you how to get it installed really quick and easy. Your mantle is gonna come with one of these awesome brackets. Now what's great about these brackets is you can see they have tons of little holes on here, and these holes allow you to mount it to nearly any stud configuration. Now on these mantles, they're heavy wood beams, so it's critical to get 2 screws and as many studs as you can. Ideally, you're gonna hit 4 studs. 2 in the center area and 2 on the ends. Now just let's get started. The things you're gonna need is of course a drill, a level, whether you have a little torpedo level, a 2 foot, 4 foot. Of course the longer ones are gonna make it a little easier. And then depending on what you're screwing through, you're gonna want anywhere from 2 to 2.5 inch long screws. Just regular wood screws will work fine. Now, if I am mounting on this fireplace, first thing I'm gonna wanna do is measure the fireplace and find my center point. And then however high I'm going, I'm gonna mark that center point to make sure I mount the bracket right through the center of the fireplace. This one, I'm just gonna eyeball it. Otherwise, I would measure it out if it was permanent. So to get an idea here, I'll hold it up there first thing. Also, is I wanna find out where my studs are. I already have them pre-marked out. Since this is a wood wall, I can see the nail holes. And I think that looks pretty good. So if I just hold it up there, let's just get 1 screw hole marked for right now. Let's just mark that one right on the stud point. That looks pretty well centered. Okay, now I have it marked. I'll get 1 screw installed. Now what can make this process a little easier, if you have a 4 foot level, just draw a straight level line first. And then you don't have to hold this level on this next step, but let's get this started in here. Okay. I left that screw stick out about 1/2 inch so I can pop that on there. Go ahead and just snug that up a little bit. There we go. She's nice and snug. Now I know I got my other stud right here. So let's put a level on it and find. All right, we'll go up a little. Right there's level. Okay. Put this other one in. Okay, that one's in. Now let's put 2 more screws on here. I know I got a stud right here. So let's get that put in place. There we go, she's nice and sturdy. 1 more screw right here. All right. So I got 2 studs mounted. I do have 2 more studs, 1 on each side that I can mount, so that way I would have 4 studs completely mounted. This is in our showroom. I don't want to put a bunch of holes in the walls, so I'm just going to mount it on 2 studs for right now. But you would want to hit 4 studs if you can. After it's installed, it's snugged up, she's ready to go. And let's get the mantle. All right. So this mantle had our optional recess routed into it. So this way it sits flush on the wall. You can kind of see that groove. The holes are already pre-drilled. So it's nice and easy. Let's just get started on installing it. We'll get 1 hole lined up on the end. And this often is a little easier with 2 people, but 1 person can manage it with these smaller mantles. Kind of just feed each rod into the holes. And there we go. Simple as that. This is all installed and mounted and ready to go. It's nice and sturdy and it's good and level. And these brackets are rated for around 300 pounds. So with your mantle and hanging stuff on it, I think you're gonna be good to go. All right, everyone, thank you very much for purchasing your mantle from us. Be sure to share some photos. You can either email to us, tag us on social media. We love to see all the projects and beautiful homes that people put our products in.